In this video, we shall shed light on how to repair the iPhone dead with several tried and true methods, including the most efficient one. Now, let's explore why first. Part 2. What to do when iPhone is dead. 7 makeshifts. Fix 1. Charge your iPhone for at least 1 hour. Avoid completely depleting your iPhone battery. If it shuts down from low battery or cold, connect it with a USB cord. Wait for the charging icon. After 20–30 minutes, it should work. Fix 2. Connect iPhone to iTunes. If iPhone rings but screen stays blank, restore using iTunes. Even seemingly dead iPhone can be restored by connecting to a computer with iTunes installed. Fix 3. Put the dead iPhone into DFU mode. Connect iPhone to computer via USB. Open iTunes. Create a backup. Enter DFU mode based on iPhone model. In iTunes, select Restore iPhone in summary. Fix 4. Hard reset your iPhone. iPhone 8 and newer. Press volume up, volume down, hold, sleep wake until Apple logo appears. iPhone 7/7 Plus, hold, volume down, and sleep wake for 10 seconds. Release at Apple logo. iPhone 6 seconds or older. Hold, home, and sleep wake for 10 seconds. Release at AP. Fix 5. Factory reset the dead iPhone by erasing it. Visit iCloud.com. Log in. Select Find My iPhone. Choose your iPhone. Click Erase iPhone. Confirm. After erasing, set up iPhone by creating a new passcode and restoring from backup, if possible. Fix 6. Replace your iPhone battery. Fix 7. Contact Apple support hardware issues. Part 3. How to fix iPhone dead issue without data loss. Last resort. If your iPhone is completely dead or facing screen-related issues due to unknown system errors, you might be searching for a simple solution without risking data loss. That's where iOS system recovery comes in handy.